बाल भारती बुक है। ठीक है, इसका हम निकालेंगे पेज नंबर 5। Let's learn alphabet. Number 1. Look and say. What is this? These are small letters. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. A to Z. What is this? This is small letters. All of you write at least 5 times. How many times? Write 5 times. That's all small letters. Now look. Question number 2. Tell a word that begins with any letter. For example, what is this? T. T for table. B. B for bat. C. C for cat. D. D for dog, and etc. Number 3. Look and say. What is this? Capital letters. Come on, read after me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. What is this? These are capital letters. All of you write down at least 5 times. This is your today's homework. What is homework? Write small letters 5 times and write capital letters 5 times. Okay, finish.